Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs rice. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 2 cups of cold, day-old cooked rice. This helps prevent stickiness. Also, have 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce on hand. If you like, chop up some extra vegetables, perhaps 1/4 cup of peas and carrots, to add more flavor and color. Having everything prepped makes cooking super smooth. Now, let's cook those eggs. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or wok over a medium-high flame. Once the oil is shimmering, crack your 2 eggs directly into the pan. Quickly scramble them with a spatula, cooking until they are just set and fluffy, but not overly dry. Remove the cooked eggs from the pan and chop them into small, manageable pieces. Set these aside for later. They're a key component. With the eggs done, it's time for the rice. If your pan looks a bit dry, add another ½ tablespoon of oil. Then, introduce your 2 cups of cold, day-old rice to the hot pan. Use your spatula to break up any large clumps, ensuring the grains separate nicely. Stir-fry the rice vigorously for about 3 minutes, allowing it to heat through and develop a slightly toasted texture. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect fried rice consistency. Almost there. Now, bring those delicious chopped eggs back into the pan with your stir-fried rice. This is also the moment to add your 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and any optional vegetables, like those peas and carrots. Give everything a good stir, mixing for about 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are evenly distributed and heated through. Your easy fried egg rice is now ready. Serve it immediately and savor this simple, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.